Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get thick leg or a big leg from Roblox. So first of all, you have to uh, go to click on customize. Now you have to go to head and body, and now you have to go to in left leg. Now whatever the legs you have selected, you just need to unselect it. As you can see, it makes your leg bigger compared to before. And also, now you can look for the right leg. Now again, you have to unselect the leg that you have selected. Yes, as you can see, it makes your legs thicker and bigger. So if you want to if you want to make your legs longer, you can also do that. Just try to choose the leg that, or try to choose a leg that has a long legs, like this Danny leg maybe are longer, not longer. It is in the same size. So basically, it no doesn't make sense. You can just keep it as this, so it will give you a good look. And yeah, that's how you can get it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.